Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Haul. So today I wanted to talk to you about one of my favorite features on Pretty Merch Pro. Aside from the cha-ching button that happens every time you make a sale, there is another feature that I truly cannot live without. Now, in one of my previous videos, I talked to you guys about how I'm trying to amplify my sales for Q4, even though I am maxed out on my slots. And in order to do this, I have to delete designs in order to be able to upload into new niches. And Pretty Merch allows for you to be able to see the designs that have sold and have not sold and kind of filter it from there, so you make sure that you're not deleting a design that has sold. But before we get into that, I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about it because it was in one of my previous videos. So a couple, let's say 2 months ago, I made top 5 niches of the week, and which Ryan Hogue hosts on Ryan Hogue Passive Income. If you guys have not seen his channel, he's like an Amazon guru with all of this print on demand space. So I made top 5 niches, which I was super excited about, but it was actually a funny story because I had 10 slots to fill. I made 9 good designs. And for the last one, I was like, I want to keep my slots full. That way, if there's a tier up, I might be eligible. Well, for the last design, I threw up the ugliest looking design I've ever seen. And as you can see, it sells because I made top 5 niches of the week a couple months ago on it. And even just today, I sold 4 of this shirt, which in my opinion is legit the ugliest shirt I have personally ever made. So I personally think it's comical, but it goes to show you how strong keyword searching can be because I did at least 20 other designs that say I smell commies. And this one was the one that got chosen, got ranked, and got sold, as well as made top 5 niches. So, which was super exciting and funny. I know Ryan was shocked when he saw it because he knew it was my design. And I don't know if anyone else is going to copy this design because it's truly a terrible design, and a lot of people think that the part of the reason why it's being purchased is because it's such a bad design that it is funny. So let's go ahead and get back to Amazon Merch so I can show you my favorite tool on Pretty Merch. So with Pretty Merch, you get a dashboard, which is a much better looking version of Amazon's dashboard. You also have your analytics here, as well as your products. Now, in order for me to filter out products that I want to delete and make sure that they have not sold before, because I'm not going to delete an item that has been ranked. So coming to products, you would come to here and it will tell you your marketplaces, all this. Guys, you get to see my designs. You're welcome, but you'll only get to see my designs that don't sell, unfortunately. So don't sell. So with Pretty Merch, you come to more filters. You say has sold, and then you want to click no. So then you come over here and then you can scroll down and you can see all of your designs that have not sold. So that way you can delete some of them to re-upload more. And this is the best way of doing it because I am not deleting it. Like I said before, I'm not deleting a design that got ranked, that has sales. Now, some of my other shirts that have had sales no longer sell that well, but I still tend to keep those guys up. But overall, I am about to clear out some space to upload some Halloween designs, which is that new niche that I'm targeting, which if you guys haven't started getting into it, now is the time. You should be getting into it really early October in order for your shirts to actually make it through the potential of selling. So that's pretty much it. I mean, overall, it makes it super easy, super simple to see which has sold, which hasn't. My only concern is that, now that they started uploading to other marketplaces the same designs that you already have, it makes it a little confusing. I don't know if I delete a design, one that's selling in China, for example, like this funny Independence Day shirt, if it will count towards my slots being open, because I personally would like to clear more slots, I guess, of the shirts and the marketplaces that don't typically sell as well for me, but I don't think it personally affects your listing number on your Amazon Merch. So I think they will have to be taken down from a US market. I will make sure to include that in my next video and tell you guys how that went and if it worked, or let's just do it now. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this design, which has been done in the US as well as everywhere else according to Amazon Merch's new little system, which is nice that they automatically do that for you. So let's see if I click, it says not deletable. So no, you cannot delete designs from other marketplaces. The only place you guys can delete designs, so let's see this, is going to be from the US marketplace. And on the side here, you can see what marketplace it's in, and you can probably filter as well. So here we go, United States. If we can only delete from the United States, there we go. We can filter it out so it only includes that, and so your listing page is not overwhelmed when you're searching for designs to delete. And guys, I do have to say, I've done really well with the anti-Fauci stuff. This shirt has unfortunately not sold. I think it's a really good shirt, but that's my personal opinion. So I'm going to start clearing things out so I can keep uploading. And guys, if you have not seen my Etsy channel and you have been thinking about doing Etsy, I'm going to be posting a video early next week talking about the differences between Amazon merch and the print on demand space in Etsy, and what are the pros and the cons of each, because they really do have their own unique features that really sets them apart, each having its own benefits and each having its own flaws. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click the like, the subscribe, and comment below. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.